Ali paints a house. Alright, he needs 12 days to paint a house. Must be a very big house. Sam can paint the same house in 8 days. Okay, so usually for this type of question, I will try to, write out the clue myself. As you know that my drawing is beautiful, right? I know that you love my drawing. Ali, right? He needs what? He needs 12 days to paint a house. Alright, to paint a house. One house. Nice drawing, right? I know. Alright, Ali takes 12 days to paint one house. Compared to who? Compared to Sam. Sam requires how many days? 8 days to paint the same house. So children, who is faster? The more days is faster. Are you okay now? Who takes a faster time to paint the house? Sam lah. Sam only take 8 days, 8 days can finish painting the house. Ali need to take another 4 more days extra to paint the same house. So Ali is slower, Sam is faster. But if you combine the power together, when 2 persons combine, what happens? They will be able to paint the house much, much faster. Okay? So this type of question, let's use the calculator lah. Alright? Let's use the calculator to assist us. Can? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to write out the clue. And my advice to you is always to find what? 1 unit. Nature, I found the 1 unit already, what? No, I want to find the time. 1 unit of time. What does it mean? Down here is 12 days, right? I want to find 1 day. Alright, I want to find in the same 1 day, if both of them combine power, how much, what is the fraction of the house can be painted? Alright, so I want to find the time frame. In terms of this one is days, right? Can be hours, can be minutes. The time frame, I want to find the 1 unit. Okay, so this is what I mean. Come, check this out with me. So for Ali, I want to find 1 day, the time frame, 1 day. How many parts of the house can be painted? Can you see? So 12 days to paint 1 house. I want to find 1 day. What must you do? Divide by 12 here. What must you do the other side? Divide by 12. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side. Fairness, right? You know this, what? Right? So 1 divided by 12 can be written as 1 over 12 of the house. Okay? How about Sam? Sam, same thing. Alright, I want to find what? I want to find 1 day. That 1 day, how many parts of the house can be painted? 8. How do you get to 1? Divide by 8 on here. What do you do on the other side? Clever. Must divide by 8 also. So 1 divided by 8 can be written as 1 over 8 of the house. Ready? So now, in 1 day, Ali can paint 1 out of 12 of the house. In 1 day, Sam can paint 1 out of 8 of the house. When 2 of them combine, alright, when 2 of them combine power, alright, when 2 of them start to work together, right, in 1 day, how many parts of the house can be painted? Ali can paint 1 out of 12 of the house. Sam can paint 1 out of 8 of the house. So must you plus or not? Yes, you plus. So how do you plus? Denominator must be the same. Or just press the calculator. 1 ABC 12 plus 1 ABC 8. For those using the sharp calculator, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, ABC is a fraction. Press equal. 5 over 24. In 1 day, 5 out of 24 of the house can be painted. Can you see? So that is the ultimate clue that you need to be able to get. In 1 day, okay, 5 out of 24 of the house can be painted. Is that okay? Easy, right? Okay, now, let's look at a question. The question is always the same, that's why I don't want to look. How many days will it take to paint the house, that 1 house, if both Ali and Sam combine power to paint it together? So you're looking for that 1 house. Alright, how many days will it take to paint the house? The 1 house that they are trying to work together. So you want to find 1 house, right? Hey, children, you want to find 1 house here. You want to find 1 here. How to find? Are you kidding me? I told you already, fraction and all this, right? Don't have to fear one. 5 over 24, how do you get to 1? I told you this before, right? Whatever the number is, just divide by itself. Say, divide by itself. Very good. So for instance, you got what? You got 7 days. You want to find 1 day. How? You divide by itself. 7 divided by 7. 7 is itself, right? From 13, how do you get to 1? 13 divided by 13. 2,000, how do you get to 1? 2,000 divided by 2,000. Half, how do you get to 1? Half divided by half is 1. Don't believe, press your calculator. So now, 5 over 24. How do you get to 1? Divide by itself. So down here, right, you divide by itself. 5 over 24. If you do that on the right, what must you do? Yes, clever. You must do that on the left. So, 1 is here. It's actually 1 divide by 5 over 24. Okay, what do you get? How many days? Press your calculator. So 1 divided by, actually my 5 over 24 is still inside my calculator. Alright, it's saved inside the previous memory. How do you take out the previous 1 memory? Is to press what? Alpha equal. Alright, alpha equal. Alright, on top of the equal, on the right, there's this word called ANS. ANS is in green. You must press the green button, the alpha. So press alpha, press equal. So 1 divided by ANS equal to 4 and 4 over 5. This will be 4 and 4 over 5 days. Alright, is it correct? It's correct, don't worry. Alright, present your answer as a decimal, as a fraction as best as you can. Right, because fraction is the most accurate answer, just to let you know. Right, always present your answer to a fraction as best as you can. Question never say they want what? They never say they want decimal or fraction or 2 decimal place or 3 decimal place. Never say, right? So usually I will present it as a fraction as best as I can. But for money, right? Money, they always want what? You know, the 2 decimal place behind. So that one you give it to them for money. Right? But for the rest of the things, okay. Put it as a fractions. Okay? So that's the answer. Can you see that when they combine strength, they take a shorter time? Ali alone take 12 days. Sam alone take 8 days. But if they combine power, right, they take what? 4 and 4 or 5 days. That's all.